What's genius? Perhaps solving the hardest problems in remarkably simpler ways? Steel Exchange of India is doing exactly this with the help of Bizongo. Let's deep dive to understand how.
Steel Exchange India Limited is into manufacturing of steel for the last 24 years. We sell our steel in the brand of Simhadri TMT. This brand is a very popular brand in the South India. Ours is a listed company. Being the listed company, the stakeholders expect more growth, and we face a lot of challenges in spite of the opportunities that are there in the business. And one of the most challenging aspect is procurement of raw material like bundle scrap, super heavy scrap and panther shards that are subject to daily price change. When the price of raw materials spike, it becomes very difficult to manage the working capital. We found the answer for this challenge in Bizongo's platform. Bizongo's unified platform with embedded financing has transformed our business. Through a single dashboard, we are now able to see dynamic prices against each raw material, which makes it extremely easy for us to seize the purchasing of raw materials at the best price by instantly placing a PO on the platform itself. This has helped us save cost and increase profitability. We onboarded 8 of our vendors and started leveraging the price management feature optimally. Now it is a free-flowing PO to payment process for us.
Our suppliers requires advance payment to maintain sufficient working capitals at all times. Bizongo Platform is unique as it provides access to financial institution ecosystem and simplify the process of not only obtaining financing but also tracing order and cash history efficiently. Our vendors are benefiting a lot from the embedded financing feature as funds are released to them by Bizongo's financial institutions network quickly. Having worked with Bizongo for 8 to 10 months and leveraged their platform optimally, our monthly revenue with them grew from 1 crore to 9 crores, leveraging an extended credit period. Thanks to Bizongo's embedded supply chain financing, we have been successfully in achieving this growth. Not only has Bizongo made our cyclical transactions of raw material purchases more seamless, they have also made our business more profitable with a solid platform to tackle raw material price volatility.
Going forward, we are excited to work with Bizongo to scale up our business in new and effective ways.